Welcome to Akhirah TV.
My TV,
Your TV,
everyone's TV. Akhirah TV.
Assalamu Alaikum wa Rahmatullahi wa Barakatuh. We have a brother right here. He's going to take Shahada, mashallah, to be a Muslim. That's a great thing, the best ni'mah. He came with some of the brothers, some of them took Shahada a year ago, 2 years ago. And now Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide him, because the guidance is from Allah, so he's going to take Shahada, mashallah. Let's hold this one on this hand. Okay, and you're gonna repeat what I'm going to say, okay? First we're gonna say in Arabic and then in English, inshallah. You're gonna do your finger like that. Say Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. I bear witness there is no God except Allah. I bear witness that Prophet Muhammad is the last messenger and servant of Allah. Servant of Allah. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. He became a Muslim. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Congratulations. So let's give him a hug. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. All what you have done previously, all sin is forgiven for you. And anything between you and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is forgiven. Let's congratulate our brother here. You are a part of the community, mashallah. You're more than welcome anytime. If you have any question to learn and grow, mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. Congratulations. It's a big thing, wallahi, in your life. You are much better than all of us here, because you might have done some sin, but your all sin is forgiven. MashaAllah, 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 MashaAllah. On the blessed day of Jummah, it's a great thing, wallahi. I asked him before, so he wasn't practicing any kind of religion, so he was kind of undecided, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guided him to the true path. This is the best thing in his life. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, do not die except you become a Muslim. And that's what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guided him toward that. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala keep us steadfast, all of us. Inshallah, the next Jummah will start here, inshallah, shortly. Assalamu Alaikum wa Rahmatullahi wa Barakatuh.
Welcome to Akhirah TV.
My TV,
your TV,
everyone's TV. Akhirah TV.